It's so easy to add closed captions in ActivePresenter. In the timeline pane, place the playhead at the timestamp that you want to add a closed caption. Then, open the Insert tab, click on this button. Or, in the timeline pane, click on this button. A CC node will appear at the position of the playhead like this. At the same time, a CC editor appears on the canvas. Type closed captions in this editor. Drag the CC node to change its timing and duration, so that your audience can read it comfortably. Do it again to add as many closed captions as you want. Now, let's preview.
Beaches are formed primarily a result of wave action along the coastline. Natural beaches may take thousands of years to evolve.
That's it.